Okay, hello everybody. Just wanted to let you know that the modules are open. Modules 11 and 11A. Okay, and I need to go over some of the details with you. Okay, so let me see. Let me go ahead and start my video so you guys can see me. Anyways, I'm going to share my screen, then I'm going to go over the modules and some special instructions. Okay, hope you guys are starting to enjoy your weekend. It's crunch time, so we need to really get all these modules done. So sharing my video, sharing my screen actually. So here's your modules. Okay, here's the modules that are now open, module 11 and module 11A, which take us through weeks 13 and 14. Okay, so these are the main ones we need to concentrate on. Everything else should be pretty much completed up to now. So module 11 deals with emission testing and failure diagnosis. Um, uh, we have the assignments, the login link as usual. Here's some of the videos that I've recorded and some of the skill drills. Okay, so we need to go through those videos and skill drills to be ready for our labs or lab. We're going to have one lab next week. Okay, so get through all of those exercises. The CDX assignments are open. Okay, I just checked, so everything should be good to go. Again, email me if you have any difficulties. Okay, don't wait as this semester is again coming to an end. So that's module 11. Okay, please pay attention to the due dates. And then we have module 11A, which is bar online training modules 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now they're shorter modules. That's why there's so many of them. Okay, so there's shorter modules, but there are two tests. Okay, there's two tests involved, and I'll go over this with you. So here's the reading assignments. The pages might be slightly off, so don't pay attention too much to the pages. Just pay attention to the actual topic. So in this bar smog check manual, you need to read the emission control function tests. Okay. So this whole section, the emission control function test, the section should be good for it, 1.40 to 1.46. The pages again might be off. Okay, so double check that. So on the bar online smog information series, click on there. It gives you the information on looking at modules 3 and 4. Okay, looking at the training videos. Again, you already know this. These training videos are used for the test that's upcoming. Okay, so make sure you do due diligence and look over these videos and study them. Take notes, whatever you got to do, so you can take the test and be successful. Okay. Um, let's go back to the modules. Okay, again, back to module 11A. So that's that information series. And then here's the test. Here's the test for these sections. Now, please pay close attention. You will need to use this file here, okay, which is a portion of the emission control systems guide. Okay, so you'll need to open this file and use it in conjunction with this test. Also, there's a Mitchell Information Systems link. Some of the questions on here on this test are going to refer to all data, okay? Or they're going to ask you to look some information up. Since we're not using all data, you're going to need to use Mitchell. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to navigate Mitchell, okay? It's not very difficult, especially the sections that you need to use. I'm going to post this entire video. I'm going to send it to you in an email, but then I'm also going to post a video on this module. Okay, so I'll post it way on top when after I finish recording it. Okay, so Mitchell Information Systems link, just simply click on it. Okay, and it should take you to this link here. You should click on the link, and the login should be all typed in. You should be good to go. Okay. So a couple of things that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to look up information, emission control system information. So let's look at something like an older vehicle that's going to, have like ignition timing or something, so you can get that section too. So let's look at an 84. So as you saw how easy that was, right? And then just pick your vehicle. Let's say we're looking at something like uh, let's um, let's pick a Ford. Okay, let's pick a Ford, and let's pick, how about an Escort. Okay, and then we'll pick the engine. It'll be a LX. And here's some additional information, but you should be good to go with that. And you just click on use this vehicle. Okay. Now to look up information, we're looking up some information for this vehicle. What you want to do is you want to go over here to service manual. Okay, over here on the right side, service manual. Click on that. Okay, then when you have the service manual open, you're going to go over here to engine performance, kind of like ALLDATA. Okay, engine performance. And then if you go to emissions, okay, and then it has functional EGR, functional testing, and then there you go, and it has applications, abbreviations. It's actually not bad. Okay, they've done a lot better in the recent years. So there's emission applications. Click on that. Okay, and then you can see by the engine size, whatever you had, what's going to be required. So if they're asking you to look up what's required for a certain vehicle, well, there they are. Okay, there's your emission control systems that are going to be required. And then if in case they want to ask you something like timing, I think there's a couple of questions on timing, just hit adjustments. Okay. And then it says tune up 4-cylinder, diesel, whatever. So just hit up tune up 4-cylinder. And it should have testing adjustment specifications. So let's go under adjustments. And then let's see. Choke, I don't see. Oh, there it is, distributor. And firing order marks. Okay, so there you are. So there's your marks and your timing information. Okay. So that's how you navigate through Mitchell. Okay, not very difficult. Play around with it a little bit. The questions that are asked shouldn't be that difficult to find, even though we haven't used Mitchell a lot. Okay. I apologize, but ALLDATA, we can't use it remotely anymore, but we can use Mitchell. And like I said, for what it's intended for, shouldn't be very, very difficult to use. Okay, so use that. Okay. And then if you want to go back or change a vehicle, you just go vehicle selection. And then again, you start picking the vehicles. Okay, just like we did before. Let me get this bar out of the way. Okay. And let's go back to our module. Okay, so here's the modules again. And on the modules again, 11 and 11A. Okay, so and this is your last CDX module. Okay, this is your last CDX module. So I know you're gonna hate to see it go away, but it is. So, and then again, 11A. Okay, again, pay close attention to the due dates because we're coming up at the end of the semester and we need to get all of this done. We'll not accept late tests or anything. Okay, so make sure you get all of this done. And I noticed that there's one test for sections 3 and 4. And remember, you need to use this download the ECS file download, and you'll need to use a Mitchell Information Systems link for some of the questions on here. Okay, again, make sure you study those videos. Okay, and do the reading behind it. Okay, and then the next section is going to be 5 and 7. Okay, again, here's your reading assignments. And then your training assignments here on the bar online. Some more reading. And then the test for 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so that's your assignments. I'm going to send you this video. I'm going to send you this video attached to the email, and then as well as posted here on this module. Okay. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. See me on my office hours, Mondays and Tuesdays. Okay, but get this done. Okay, all of this, every single bit of this needs to be done by the end of next week. the end of next week, we're gonna overlap another module. Okay, so we have just enough time to get all of this done right through finals week. So don't hesitate. Okay, and if you need anything, remember, please reach out. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing now, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this short video. And have the good rest of your weekend. I know I say that, but I'm working just as hard as you are, trust me. And again, don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. All right, bye for now.